Hey guys, so it's day 6 and today I'm going to be working with the artist canvas from Poundland. Here's a sample of some other canvases. The 4 mini ones are from Hobbycraft, they're about £3, and the other smaller one was from Tiger, I think it was £1 or £2 from there. I'm going to be working with the Poundland one, and that's a 7 by 10 inch one. So what I start off doing is I weed my vinyl to get it ready to place onto the canvas. This is just some spare vinyl that I've got laying around that I'm not going to be using. And then I just make sure everything's lined up and place it on there. You can actually leave the canvas as it is with just the text and an image. Here's a couple canvases I've done before where it's just vinyl. Just want to show you another option to do, fun thing to do with the kids, because you know, like, the kids love painting and decorating. Well, my kids do. My kids love arts and crafts, so it's something that we like to do. Mess about with a canvas. It doesn't have to be a nice order of the paints or things like that. I've just picked these colours because it's a Christmas quote, and I wanted to add a bit of Christmassy colours with the reds and the greens. And the metallic acrylic paint I picked up from Poundland. I just wanted to test the texture and how it was to use, but it's very watery, so it's not really one that I'll use again. I couldn't find my paintbrushes, so I'm using the Poundland paintbrushes for this one. So what I start to do is weed the vinyl while the painting's still wet, which was probably a mistake, I think, because I was trying to rush and get this done because I've been at work all day. I get to the point where it's so wet, it's so difficult to try and lift up the vinyl, and my fingerprints are going everywhere. And then after I messed up the U, I was done. I was like, let me just let it dry. So after I let it dry, I came back and finished off weeding it. It was so much easier then because I could hold on to the canvas if I had to. It was still a bit damp because I let it dry for about half an hour. At least it gave me a bit of grip onto the canvas if I needed it, and my fingerprints weren't going everywhere. Tried to clean up the U a bit, but what I'll do is once it's dry tomorrow, I'll give it a better facelift and clean up the U a bit more. So yeah, so that was another quick project that can be done, and it can be done with the kids. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, put it in the comments below, and thanks for watching.